Hello, I'm back. So we're at another house. We visit our grandpa. This is the house. That's a Jollibee. It's the kitchen. And this is the other kitchen. Hello.
Nag-vlog.
YouTuber kasi kami. Is my water?
Kuha ka na lang.
Okay. Dala. Dala. Ay, tubig.
Saan? Baka may... Baka may puta doon.
Kapag inisir na.
Sira mo. Nag-water ka na? Saka mo nga. Saka mo nga.
Sabi. Sabi. Okay, back. Oh, let's go.
Uwi ka na dyan.
We're going upstairs. There's a tarantula somewhere here. You know. Yeah, somewhere there.
Dito.
We're going upstairs. If you don't use it really much, we don't use this. We sleep downstairs. Ew, what's that? Ew, dust. Oh. Bye. I'm still not bye. Going outside. Caleb, say hi. Say hi, Caleb. Okay. Say hi.
Hi. Nagbablog siya. Vlog ka? Saka may ido, ha? Sige na, i-career mo na yan, kuya. Mga season di mo yan. Ang babaw dahil. Pero naman, mag-ano ka mo?
We're outside. Now outside, this is not our home. We just visit our grandpa, so I think it is a goodbye. Bye.